Oops, my Teams is not working. Oh shit, I have a meeting in 5. What should I do? Is this something that sounds familiar? Well, I know a few people who had this issue, so I'm going to try in this to explain in this video what a solution could be. So before you call your service desk and ask them what's going on. So first I will go to the client. Most of the time, if it happens in the browser, then you directly call, but for now, most of the time it's happening in your desktop client in Windows or Mac. So what happens is you are busy with a functionality and it says it cannot add a poll, for example, or it doesn't start the meeting, or your camera is not working, etc., etc. This comes because the desktop client is not updated, and most of the time it's not updated because your IT department didn't update it, or you did not do it yourself. So first I'm going to explain what you do in this situation, what's the best solution. First, for example, if this happens to you, you directly go to your browser and you go to your Teams environment and try exactly to do the same thing you were doing in the desktop client. The Teams browser version is up to date, as it's just a browser and you browse to the Microsoft Teams environment. So if this doesn't help, then directly make a service ticket because then there's something else going wrong. Going back to the desktop client, and this is the same for Mac users as Windows users, you go to the 3 dots and you click on check for updates. So if you still have time, you can do this before you go to the browser. But then your system is going to be checked for updates, and most of the time there is an update, and at the top now it says it's currently looking for new items, but it will say you have to refresh the app, which means actually closing Microsoft Teams and reopening Microsoft Teams. And 9 out of 10 times this is solving the issue. So this is what I would advise if you have a problem in your Microsoft Teams desktop version. So this is the tip for this time. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and see you next time.